Hey everybody, good evening, Sarah at Caddy Garage. So I'm just shooting this short little video really fast because somebody brought it to my attention on my Instagram page that someone is impersonating me on YouTube. They are stealing my videos practically as soon as I post them. I'm going to put a picture here in the video in just a few minutes at the end of the video that you guys can check out of what the phony YouTube channel looks like. It is not me, so please do not subscribe or watch my videos through their channel. I don't know why people do stuff like this. I think it's pretty rude to say the least. But anyway, just wanted to let you guys know that it's not me. So yeah, my channel is about to reach soon 4,000 people. I believe the other channel has 90-ish subscribers. But like I said, I just wanted to let you guys know it is not my channel. They're not my, they're my videos because they're stealing my videos, but that's not my channel. So, hope everybody's having a very blessed evening. Thanks for tuning in and listening to this. It's very important to me, and I just wanted to let you guys know. So anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. I'm going to be uploading a lot over the next couple weeks because we're really moving forward on the Hearse. So I hope you guys will continue to tune in and check it out. And then also the 48, we're going to be trying to start that this weekend. We got the new starter put on. So yeah, anyway, exciting stuff happening. Have a blessed evening, guys. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, guys, here's a picture of the fake YouTube channel. For a while, they were calling themselves Caddy Girl Garage 1, and in the next clip, you'll see that they're now calling themselves the official Caddy Girl Garage with underscores. The problem is the subscribers are really jumping, and obviously this is not my channel. This is a complete phony. So I'm not really sure who's doing this, but any support you guys could give by going on and reporting it to YouTube, I would greatly appreciate. Thanks, guys. Have a very blessed day.